Hi, welcome to Alumission. Today I'm taking you with me behind the scenes to the manufacturing and distribution center. Here in the warehouse is where our team carefully organizes and orchestrates every piece of your order. From raw aluminum materials that they prepare to get to powder coat, to prepared orders already made. This is a shot blast machine, which prepares all aluminum profiles for powder coat. We send it over to the wash plant to wash off any excess debris. Then it goes through the powder coat machine, and then finally, it finishes off in this oven here. Here at Alumission, quality control is very important to us. So that's why our guys carefully package and cultivate each order before it goes out. Here we have many different size profiles. We have 6 feet, 8 feet, 10 feet, even 20 footers to accommodate your project, whether it's commercial or residential. At Alumission, our team of professionals is on standby, ready to answer any questions you have, whether it's a commercial property or residential property. We want to handle your project with accuracy and care. Thanks for coming behind the scenes with me at Alumission, where we're American made and built to last.